Good day, everyone. Today, I want to talk about one of the smartest strategies any entrepreneur can adopt: creating multiple income streams. One of the biggest mistakes I see in the microfinance industry is lenders relying on a single source of income: the interest earned on loans. That's it. And while interest income is important, successful businesses understand something that average businesses often miss. Diversification creates stability. If one income stream experiences pressure, the others continue supporting the business. That creates resilience. It creates predictability, and ultimately it creates growth. The most successful lenders don't think like lenders. They think like business owners. They ask themselves, how can I create more value for my customers? How can I generate additional revenue without taking on additional risk? How can I build income streams that continue growing over time? Remember, every additional income stream strengthens the business. Now, one of the most powerful opportunities available to lenders today is credit life insurance. And this is an area where QuinPay has built an incredible partnership with Universal Insurance Administrators. The reality is that every lender should be thinking about protecting their loan book. Life happens. People lose their jobs. People become disabled. People pass away. Unexpected events occur every single day. And when those events happen, an unprotected loan book will suffer. Credit life insurance changes that. It protects both the customer and the lender. The customer receives peace of mind, their families receive protection, and the lender reduces potential losses. That's only part of the opportunity. Through our partnership with Universal Insurance Administrators, merchants can also offer a value-added beneficiary plan product alongside their loans. This creates an entirely new income stream, and every policy sold generates commission income. Now, I know what some people are thinking. The commission seems small, and that's true. In the beginning, it may not feel significant. But the same principles that applies to building a loan book applies to building commission income. Consistency matters. One policy today, another policy tomorrow, another customer next week, another 100 customers next year. Eventually, something remarkable happens. The commission income begins to compound, month after month, year after year, and before you realize it, you build a second business inside your primary business. I've seen lenders reach a point where their insurance commission contributes meaningfully to their operating expenses. That commission income helps pay for software subscriptions, it helps pay for transactional credits, it helps pay for additional services. It creates breathing room. And every rand that comes from commission income is a rand that doesn't need to come from your lending margins. That's incredibly powerful. Because now, your business becomes less dependent on one source of revenue. And that's what financial resilience looks like. The next opportunity is value-added services. Ask yourself, what else can I offer my customers? Can you provide financial education? Can you assist with budgeting tools perhaps? Can you create loyalty programs? Can you offer additional products that genuinely improve the customer experience with your business? The businesses that creates the most value often creates the most opportunities. Customers appreciate convenience. If they trust you, they prefer obtaining multiple services from one trusted provider. That's how relationships deepen. And deeper relationships create stronger businesses. Another opportunity is referral income. Every business has networks: accountants, insurance brokers, estate agents, motor dealers, employers, community leaders, professional partners. Those relationships create opportunities. When businesses work together, everyone benefits. Referrals create income without requiring additional lending capital. They create growth through collaboration, and smart entrepreneurs actively build those networks. The important lesson here is that multiple income streams create stability. Think about what happens during challenging economic periods. Lending volumes slow down, insurance income continues, referral income continues, value-added services continue. The businesses remain stronger because it isn't dependent on one source of revenue. Diversification reduces risk, and reducing risk is one of the fundamental principles of successful entrepreneurship. I often tell lenders, don't build one business, build an ecosystem. Create products and services that complement one another. Create opportunities that strengthen one another. Allow one success to fuel another success. And that's exactly how sustainable businesses are built. And remember, every great income stream starts small. Your loan book started with one customer. Your business started with one decision. Your commission income starts with just one policy. The magic isn't in the beginning. Magic is in the consistency. Month after month, year after year. That small thing that you started with becomes a big thing. That's the power of compounding, the eighth wonder of the world. So my message today is simple. Don't rely on one source of income. Explore opportunities such as credit life insurance, value-added beneficiary plans, referral partnerships, additional customer services. Because diversification creates stability, and stable businesses create lasting wealth. Thank you for joining me today.